Today we're learning how to borrow from the tens place. So when we subtract, we always work this way. We start at the right and we work to the left. So we're going to start with the ones place. 3 minus 4. Now that doesn't work. When we subtract, the big number always has to be on top. But 3 is not bigger than 4. So I need to borrow 10 from my neighbor. It's 10 because he's in the tens place. Okay, so first thing I do is I'm going to borrow from my neighbor. So these two numbers are going to change. So I cross, cross. I cross them out because they're going to change. I borrow 10 from him, so he becomes 2, like 20. And I add a 10 to what I had here, 10 plus 3. So now it's 13 minus 4. Now I can subtract because the big number is on top. 13 minus 4 is 9. 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, let's look at this one. I always start on the one side. 1 minus 1, I don't need to borrow from the neighbor. 1 take away 1 is 0. 7 take away 4 is 3. 1 minus 3, no, I need the big number on top. So I'm going to borrow from my neighbor. First thing I do, cross, cross, because these numbers are going to change. I'm going to ask for a 10, so he changes to 80 or 8. And I add a 10 to what I had. So 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 minus 3 is 8. And 8 minus 4 is 4. Okay, I subtract the one side first. The big number is on top, so I don't need to borrow. 9 minus 2 is 7. 1 minus 1 is 0. So it's 7 cents. Also, let's put the cent sign on our math problems. Next one, 2 minus 4. Not possible. I need to borrow from my neighbor. First thing I do, cross, cross. I'm asking for a 10. So he changes to 5. And I add a 10 to here. 10 plus 2 is 12. 12 minus 4 equals 8. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Let's try one more. I always start on my one side. 0 minus 3. No, the big number is not on top. So I need to borrow from my neighbor. First thing, cross, cross. I borrow a 10. So he changes to 7. And I add 10 to what I had here. 10 plus 0 is 0. 10 plus 0 is 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. And 7 minus 1 is 6. Add the cent sign. And you're finished.